Master, all the bolts on the chassis have been tightened. They're all torqued up.
That particular sound isn't quite right at all. It seems to be off.
Master, I tightened them all with the same force, so how could it be wrong?
The feel isn't quite there yet. There's a slight gap under the bolt's contact surface that you can't see with the naked eye. Try giving it another half turn. Now the sound is correct. Now it's truly holding the force.
Oh, I understand now, Master. So you're teaching me to use my ears and sense of touch to make sure every single bolt is 100% reliable.
That's right. Machines are lifeless, but people are alive. Our experience is the final safeguard.